लेट जाओ। नहीं नहीं कैसी काय की बदबू आ रही कपड़ों की, फिर गटर की। बंद कर देता हूँ। Hey guys, what's up? This is ProWolfTrader. Let's begin our trading. So as you can see, today is Monday and the price just went up $100. And this wasn't a coincidence. This is due to the quantitative easing which Fed has started after the rate cut from 1st December, and most likely because of that we saw a new all-time high today, which was expected from Asian to London session. Mostly that happened in Asian session. The price made all-time high, and now after making the new all-time high, the price is dropping down. The price will do a retracement back down. The reason for that is that we need this retracement. The reason for that is that the next support area is sitting at 4250, and since it's Christmas, second last week of this month, trading volume will decrease. People will take profit. FOMO buying can start because of the Venezuela situation and the Ukrainians hitting oil refineries and seizing and even hitting the Black Fleet of Russia. If you're not familiar with these terminologies, Google them. You'll know what I'm talking about. Generally speaking, because of geopolitical tension, gold went up. Also because America sold a new missile system, anti-defense system to Taiwan, to which China did a protest. A lot of escalation is being done from the US side, from the Ukrainian side, and as far as I'm keeping it up with the news, nothing has been stated. Russia launched a statement that they are not gonna retaliate Europe, and let's see how things goes. But as for now, we can generally see the price will fall back down a retracement level. So I'm just waiting for the price to drop down. If let's just talk about why the drop is happening now and what was the reason for this sudden momentum. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on a 1 hour time frame, you can see, if you are ICT trader, SMC trader or whatsoever, you can clearly see what happened over here. The price just went up. There is no fair value gap over here. Oh sorry, there is fair value gap over here. So because of this, the price just kept on going up. This was the reason we saw earlier on the movement straight up. Now since the fair value gap has been filled in, now it's gonna do a reversal, and the reason for that is, as generally observed, we were in a sideway range, and after the sideway range there's always a fair value gap followed by a distribution. So right now we are just waiting for the distribution, and if I just talk about if I don't talk about ICT or smart money concept and generally just take the Fibonacci retracement and just go on with it, then generally with this Fibonacci retracement, I can say that price will retest this golden zone. So one of the more reasons for not going long near this area is price will retrace back, because normally if you have been trading gold in the past, gold made all-time highs on Monday, and the entirety of the week it just did a retracement, and I wasn't surprised when gold suddenly moved up in the Tokyo session. It was a clear indication that till Wednesday, because on Thursday the market will be closed, Thursday, Friday. So till Wednesday we can expect a retracement down. First target is 4250. Next target is around, first target at 4350. The next target is most likely 4200. So that's how things are. It's a bit complicated to trade gold right now, but it's quite profitable if you know what you're doing. I gave away one daily free signal on YouTube. I'm unable to provide that signal on Telegram due to some VPN issues, but I will do that later on. As for now, whoever is watching the stream, just make sure your entry is somewhere above a 44.10, 44.12 sell entry and a really tight stop loss. It is up to you where you want to put your stop loss at. For just a better perspective, I'm waiting for the New York session to open so we can generally see where the market is headed. Crude oil is also going up because America is intervening with Venezuela. Besides that, the new Fed chair, there's a bit concerned that who's going to be a new Fed chair. Till we have this confirmation, you will see the slightly pump. This bump was because of FOMO buying, because of uncertainty of who's the next Fed chairman is going to be. Besides that, the situation in Venezuela, which caused the price to go up. Venezuela, if you're not familiar, Google it. Right now, the Fed's Hamrock is talking about pause in rate cuts, which is the best case scenario. Last week we got the CPI, NFP. NFP was delayed. The reason for that was government shutdown. So after getting the NFP numbers and CPI and unemployment, it looks like pretty much that the inflation is slowing down and pretty much no further rate cut is needed. And that's where things get head on. What's going to happen with the stock market? What's going to happen with the dollar? And besides that, on 19th December, the Bank of Japan, nearly after 38 years, did their first rate hike. And now they're looking forward to, because since they didn't even did any rate hike for the past 40 years, that meant that borrowing yen was really favorable. But now, since it's more expensive to borrow yen, even Bank of Japan, they need to sell off their US bonds, US treasury bonds, and since they cannot invest in gold because they don't have that much gold reserves, they have to look for other means, most likely Bitcoin, and this is the reason the price of Bitcoin is also dropping down. There is a circulation of money right now, the transfer of wealth that is happening right now. The system is rigged. The rich keep getting richer, the poor keep getting poor. So if you don't know what you are doing, most likely you will never break out of this system. So this is how things are. All I say is that you need knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, you will either work for the system for the rest of your life or make generational wealth. It's really hard, but not impossible. Once you understand what you are doing, things become easy. As for now, all I can say is gold. The only reason we haven't seen gold dropping down massively is because right now everybody is talking about rate cut. As soon as the rate cut frenzy is over, we will see huge drops happening in gold. And keep in mind that the new Fed chair, if he comes, the one which Donald Trump wants to appoint, he is against rate cut. And I know people are saying that Donald Trump is in favor of rate cut, but the Fed chairman he wants to appoint it against that decision, most likely will cause a really big blunder. Keep in your mind that the 4-year bull cycle has ended, and after the completion of the 4-year bull cycle, we see the bear market. The bear market is here to last for nearly 1 year. I cannot say if it extends for more than 1 year, but if the bear market is here, it will last for 1 year, and that can cause a lot of changes in the financial market, especially for those people who are not aware. Bitcoin price will drop down, stock market will drop down. Only thing that will go up is US dollar. This isn't the first time I have seen this, but this is not the last time also I will see this. last time I saw this was in 2022, and only for 5-6 months when the bear market come. Now it's coming back and it's gonna stay here for more than a year. Things will change, things are changing, people will panic. This is not the time to make mistakes. This is the time to learn if you are new, and if you have gone through what has happened in the past, most likely you will use that experience to navigate yourself through the financial market. All before I say anything further, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, join the free Telegram group, and there's also a free gold signal group in which I give one daily gold signal, and because of some VPN issues I'm unable to post over there, but I am coming live and giving one signal daily. But if you want at least 2 to 5 signals daily, not just on gold, but if you trade futures, if you want to trade in S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, crude oil, forex, join the premium. Right now there are 3. I have revised the package. Monthly package is $80, then we have 6 monthly, and then we have lifetime. It's pinned in, everything is pinned in, go check it out. Coming back to our live trading, we are on a short on gold, and the reason for that I already told you. Gold made new all-time high in Tokyo session. We don't know who's going to be the new Fed chair. Most likely the one that Donald Trump wants to appoint is not in favor of rate cut, since we only have 3 working days this week because of Christmas, and gold already made new all-time high. All you will see now is a retracement back. We have a support level at sitting at 43.50. First target is 43.50. If it drops below that, then we are looking at 4300, then again at 4380, 4390. If it holds on, then it will go up, but as far as I know, trading volume will decrease. As soon as the trading volume disappears, you will see huge movements, huge reversals, and I see huge downside move coming up in a matter of 1 or 2 days. So don't be surprised. This is what happens during the Christmas season. People take their profits, walk away from the market. This is not the time to start trading. If you are new, this is the time to learn. If you're an amateur trader or if you have experience, then most likely stick around, make money, and keep repeating this process. Again, I'm saying be really careful with your investments. This is a really important time. Again, I'm saying I will not do a really long stream today. I'm not. I just started streaming after 20 days, so I'm not consistent. I am trying to get back, but I will slowly get back on track. I will try to provide as much as free signals as possible, but there is a limitation, 1 signal per day. So if you miss it out, don't worry, come back next day. If you have the opportunity, if you have the money, get into the subscription group. Right now there's limited spots available. I'll be keeping posted on the spots. Besides that, let's see how the trading goes. We are wrapping up 2025. 2025 was not good, not bad, but it did not bought anything good. It did not bought anything bad for me. I'm generally speaking for myself. 2025 took a lot from me. I lost a lot of things, not just money, but also a lot of things in my personal life. But what can I say? We have to keep moving on, even if it's our mistake or if it's not our mistakes. But there's nothing we can do as long as we are breathing. We have to live on. So keep educating yourselves. Again, doing a business is far better than doing a job, but for that you need money, so you need to do a job. Even no matter what job you do, you need money. Even if you want to do a business or trading, you need money. So keep in your mind, if you are trading, only trade with the money that you can afford to lose, not with the money that you can surely depend upon for your livelihood. Most likely it will cause a lot of problem for you. Stay away from tension, stay away from a lot of stress from your life. It will affect your work, not just trading but likewise. Be healthy. Health is wealth. If your health is not okay, your life will get affected. I'm telling you, you will make mistakes, you will not think properly, it will affect you. So take this from a person who's gone through a lot. So this is how we are looking forward towards life. Anyways, well, nobody wants to hear the truth, and everybody is here just for the free signals, so let's just talk about it. In a matter of minutes, approximately 16 minutes, New York Stock Exchange will open, and then we will see a sudden movement in the market, most likely a downward movement. This is previous week high and this is previous day high. So the first target, as I said again, is 43.50. So let's see if the price reaches this area of, and let's see how it goes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. It really helps. We want to get at least 1000 subscribers. We will get it. I'm not worried. I'm not worried literally about anything now. I don't have anything to lose anymore. I lost everything. I know I sound a little bit depressed, but this is how it is. I'm expressive. I lost my health and I lost a lot of things. In 2025, I'm better now. I'm trying to stream regularly, but keep in mind that if I'm not feeling okay, I might take a break, but I will try to be consistent. It's last week. I'll suggest don't trade that much. It's the last week. We will come back next month, first week, and trade a lot. We will make lots of money. Next year, we will make huge profits. I will be here, you will be here, we'll make money together. That's the motto, ProWolfTrader, let's make money together. And I also will be updating regarding educational content, and I will update on my trading session, paid trading session, beginner session, which a lot of people were messaging me. But since I haven't taught any new batch for past a lot of months actually, because I got sick. Now, first of all, I want to focus on the signal subscription group, because that's where the people are relying on me on paid signals, and market is really giving nice opportunities. We are seeing AI bubble, which in return is causing the stock market to drop down. So those people who do future trading, they rely on me. So this is why first I want to focus on signal subscription. Not just for gold, but for Bitcoin, for forex, for crude oil energies, for S&P 500, Nasdaq, in short, mini and micro contracts. So if you besides trading CFD contracts, you also trade futures, then you might want to take an interest, because that's where the real money is. And a lot of people ask me what's the difference between CFD and futures. Listen, CFD is in which you are trading against the market makers. You are trading against your broker and you are trading against the market maker. It's kind of a system, But for futures, when you are trading in futures, you are trading against other traders. It's more of, how do I explain it? It's like CFD is more like when you play video games, you're playing a story mode campaign. So you are against the AI, okay? You are against the broker, you are against the system. But futures use like PvP, online PvP, in which you are trading against other traders. You are bidding price. So that's where, and futures is more profitable, and that's where the real money is. If you look at the gold futures contract, most likely for next month, Gold is already being traded, was traded above 4400. So whoever trades gold futures know that, for example, gold futures price was above 4350, and everybody knew that it will go up. So when the future price is high, most high, it's a clear indication that CFD contract will also go up. So this is why we were being really careful while trading. This is a secret. Yes, it's a secret, not something which is clearly to be kept from you. You learned from this from experience. Right now I have a futures contract open in front of me. Right now gold is being traded at 4445, in short 4445, whereas the CFD contract is at 4411. So as you can see, there is a huge difference, and currently there is a retracement going on the futures contract. Price is at 4445 and is dropping down. So as soon as the future contracts drop down, you will see the price drop down over here. So this is how things escalate. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. Again, I'm saying I have Signal subscription services. You can check it out. All the details are in bio. By the way, free Telegram community. Besides that, free gold Signal channel. Join it. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. Whenever I come online, you will get notified. And you can trade with me. New York session is about to start in 10 minutes. And let's see where the volume gets in. Currently it looks like the market will go up, but as far as I can see, there is a fair value gap and the market is headed for distribution. This was a sideways range, this was a fair value gap, and now the distribution will happen. We will see a drop. I can be wrong, but I hope I'm not wrong, because that's how things are. If you have any question, you can ask me on the chat. We all know that we want to sell, but the market doesn't drop down and people get frustrated. They keep on selling and keep on hitting a stop loss. You need to understand the right time to open the sell. The right time to open the sell trade was not in the Tokyo session, was not in London, it's New York. And when I say, or every time, go on a lower time frame, and as soon as you go on the lower time frame, let's just say 15 minutes, you scalp, you go with the flow. In Tokyo session, you saw that huge bullish candle over here, without any thinking, without any setup. Just put the stop loss at 43.17, 43.13 and just go with the flow. Buy, let's make up your mind that the entire Tokyo session you will let this trade run. And as soon as London opened, you saw that price went in accumulation phase, more of a sideways range. And now this was a fair value gap, and after the fair value gap we will see a distribution is when the market makers sell the price, and you will see it right now. Distributions happen mostly on Mondays. This price increase was just the main reason for the increase in price was not because of rate cut, it was because of geopolitical uncertainty. America is consistently intervening with Venezuela oil tankers, and even the Ukraine, they are hitting the Russian Black Fleet, and because of that you are seeing geopolitical tensions. And America recently sold the Patriot missile system to Taiwan. Because of that too, Taiwan protested. Geopolitical tensions, people just FOMO buy gold futures contract, and here we are. But now all I can say is, as soon as the new Fed chair is appointed, we will depend on data. Geopolitical tension will not affect as heavily as data right now. All data is pointing towards that we don't need any further rate cut. We are all good. CPI, unemployment claims, NFP, which came in last week, is all indicating that we had hit the top. We just saw this price is just going up because of uncertainty, because the goddamn America doesn't want to sit back. It just want to create geopolitical tension, uncertainties, and this is the reason the price went up. If you take out the geopolitical tension, the only thing that's happening is going down. Why? Because gold was going up because of Joe Biden and Fed poor policies. Now Fed chairman is about to change and the policy is also about to happen. But as long as one thing's for sure, as long as Fed chair Powell is in the house, he's just gonna keep on doing the quantitative easing. And as soon as he's gone, whoever is gonna be the next Fed chair, I think he will stop the rate cut, and we will see huge downside corrections on gold, most likely hitting 3,500. This will happen within the next quarter, and December is also ending, and in January we will see the fourth quarter of 2025 earnings. That too will come up with a lot of data. Since government shutdown has ended, we will receive data on time, so market will move the way it's supposed to move, hopefully, which is wasn't. So that's one. That's a big relief. A really huge relief, actually. Okay, now the gold price is about to do a correction. Since the future gold price is up, future price is about to drop down and do a retracement. We will see the same situation with gold. CFD, just waiting for the price to drop down. As soon as the price drop down, I will tell you to sell. If you don't have any sell running, good, this is the area you can sell and be without any tension. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. Join the free Telegram group and gold free signal channel. We have a premium subscription service too, $80 for 1 month and for nearly $400 for 6 months, and lifetime for $800. This is limited time only for, and it's limited spots. There are 10 spots each. I'm getting messages as soon as this group is filled. This scheme will not come for at least a month or two. This is just for Christmas. So most likely, if you want, do take the lifetime if you have that cash. If not, for 6 months, it will change your life. If you just want to trade gold, Bitcoin or any other thing, but if you just want to trade gold, you can make a lot of money. Most likely 10x, 5x your equity. Don't make mistakes. Don't mistake any mistakes. Again, I'm saying you can make a huge profits with gold if you know what you're doing, if you're with the right group. Anyways, let's come back. Yeah, gold price is dropping down now, any moment now. As soon as the New York market opens up, in 4 minutes we will see price retracing down, and then we will see what happens. If you have any questions, you can DM me, message over here on YouTube. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, Jen? So here we are. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. Here we are. Let's look at the news. Expectations for big techs. Okay. I know a lot of people are asking, why am I selling, why I'm not buying. I have the same question. I'm selling because we have hit all-time high and this gray area is the area where fair value gap got filled in, and this is just testing this fair value gap, and as soon as it's tested it will drop down. We will see a distribution. To not confuse our fellow new subscribers and everybody who's watching, I'm going on a 30-minute time frame. Higher time frame will save you from the fatigue, because lower time frames people get anxiety. Higher time frames you will get easy, you'll be more relaxed and you'll know what you're doing. Let the price sink in, let the price drop. "16 people are watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Join the free gold channel in Telegram and free Telegram group. Also, we have a Discord community. Join it. I'll be updating it now. It wasn't updated, but I will be updating it. All the analysis. If you trade crude oil, if you trade stock market, Bitcoin, natural gas, whatsoever, join the Discord community. Right now we have I'm giving away 3 new packages, premium signal services, 1 month for $80, 6 months and lifetime. Go check it out. Limited spots available, just 10 slots for each package. I'm already getting messages, so if I don't have any spots, don't message me. I will not give any further spots. This is for just for limited time only. Coming back to gold. Yes, so New York Stock Exchange just opened up and we are just waiting for the price to show a rejection. Going back to lower time frame on a 5-minute time frame to see what's happening. Yeah, possibly rejection is coming in any moment now. Keep in your mind that we are in the premium zone, so once we are in the premium zone, the price will go back to the discounted zone. So that's the price you pay. That's the price you pay. Okay, now here is the rejection. This is exactly what we are waiting for. If you don't have any sell trade, open it up right now. Rejection is happening. It will slowly sink in. It will not drop immediately. Suddenly a big bearish candle will happen. It will drop. So that's where we are headed. We are selling gold now. It's hard to sell gold, but that's how it is. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. I need 100 likes for the stream and 1000 subscribers before the year ends to end our 2025 goal. Hey, what's up, Jenner? If you have any questions, you can ask me up. We are selling gold. Again, I'm saying we are selling gold. Rejection is coming in on a 15-minute time frame. I'm not going in any further smaller time frame because you will get manipulated. Our target area, first target is 4350, then is 4300, but it will definitely hit 4350. So let me just put this up till here. We will take our profits at 4350 because this is also previous day high. If it hits this area, of course it will drop down further, but you just need to take your profit over here and walk away from the market because it's just Monday. Don't hold any trade, swing trades. I'm saying again, we are in a really uncertainty where America is intervening in Venezuela, Ukraine is hitting oil refineries in Russia, China, Taiwan. Situation is not looking good. Any news can come and it can just keep on going up. 2025 is also ending. It's Christmas season. A lot of stuff is happening. So don't force yourself. Make money, keep money, and keep repeating this process. And stay away from risky trades. Stay profitable, and that's the only way. That's the only way. Okay, here we are. It will take time. Don't stress, don't panic. It will take time, of course. Just wait patiently and it will drop. Hit the like button, subscribe the channel if you are new. I need 100 likes for the stream. Rejection is coming in. Most likely right now in the New York session we will see strong sell momentum, but it will not drop now. It will drop after 2-3 hours, because mostly right now dumb money is getting in. People are buying, selling. Yeah, we are also in a trade, but it doesn't necessarily mean we are amongst them. We already know what's going to happen. We positioned ourselves into the sell trade. The reason for that is that when the drop will happen, it will happen in such a fast pace that if you don't have a sell running, you will miss it out. You will miss it out big time. Gold is crazy. Gold acts crazy on Monday. When it makes 100 move up, it has the potential to do a 200, 300 drop down. And if you do see a 100 move up and a $200 move down, don't be surprised. This is Monday. Okay, sell moment. I can see the selling pressure coming in now. This is liquidity grab in short. Gold futures is being traded above 44.50, but even on gold future I can see a selling. Yeah, there's a liquidity grab over there. The price is dropping on gold futures. Yeah, it is dropping. Price is dropping. So of course, if the price is dropping over there, surely it will drop over here. So what do you have to regret? Just go with the flow. It will take time. It's been 48 minutes since live streaming. We'll wait for the drop. I'm here, you're here. Our trade is running. Yeah, we could have bought. If you're thinking, oh shit, we could have bought, taking the profit over here, it's okay. You have to let your setup run. Even if the setup is stop loss, is okay. You'll do something, but let it run. Trust it. Trust the process. Just don't keep on jumping from one branch of the tree to the next. Okay, Bitcoin is dropping. Gold is just creating a new all-time high, I suppose, or just retesting the previous. What I see is quite different. I just see a manipulation. Yeah, this is manipulation because the distribution will start any moment now. This area is the distribution. Distribution will happen till over here. This entire area is the distribution area. This highlighted yellow area is the distribution zone. I'm waiting for the distribution. Can happen now, it can happen later, I don't know, but that's how it is. Okay. Even if our stop loss, we hit our stop loss, we will just wait for the next entry. Let's go on a 5 minute. Again, I'm saying it's alright. At least we follow our trade setup. That's all it matters. Okay, seems like the price is just going up. Fucking frenzy. This is irritating. Whenever this happens, it's okay. It's okay. We'll take the stop loss. It's okay. And I know as soon as it hit 20, 44, 30, it will just drop down. Same old dirty tricks. But what if it doesn't go there? It just keeps... Okay, something happened, I think. Something happened. Japan's... we have free hand to take board action on yen. We can take actions on... Okay, this is the reason. Okay. Okay. Waiting for the distribution. Yep, this large candle will fall below 44.15, then our real picture will start. Till then, nothing, just bullshit. This was just a move, you know. If you are familiar with SMC, let me teach you what just happened. This is called a sell side, a buy side liquidity. When we have a series of bullish candle and the price wants to do a reversal, we see a sudden liquidity grab on buy side before the price drops. And this is exactly what we saw right now. And then now after this has happened, the price will decline now. Not in an hour, maybe 2, or maybe in 5 minutes, 15 minutes. But surely this will happen right now. A lot of stuff is happening. Just keep in your mind, when we make all-time high, when we have a series of bullish candle, it just looks like the price will not drop, it will just keep on going up. And then suddenly it drops. So yeah, it's the frustration. All I see is a large rejection any moment. But it's not in my hand actually. And not in yours. Yeah, I know what's gonna happen. It will hit the stop loss, then it will drop. It's okay, we will take another sell from 44.30 then. See, it will just go and hit 44.30 this area, grab buy side liquidity, then drop. Dirty move. But it is what it is. Or maybe it doesn't hit 43, 44.30, just does this drop right now. Only time will tell. So just as you can see right now, the price is holding off to the 44.26, and the reason for that is because futures price are dropping. We just need a closure of this 5-minute candle, and the next 5-minute candle most likely will show us what exactly is happening. We are seeing sell side pressure, buy side liquidity grab has already happened, so now we see a sell side liquidity coming in right now. Distribution, I call this the distribution is happening, which will carry the price towards 43.50. And now I know a lot of people will lose all hope, will just believe okay, it's done, gold is just going up, it was up in Asia, it is up into London, just buy over here. And this is what the market wants you to do, make a buy, and then you get trapped in, and it will just, market maker will distribute at this price. Don't make that mistake. Don't make that mistake. Again, I'm saying don't make that mistake. See, now new 5-minute candle is up. Let's see what's going on a lower time frame. Yes, it's moving down. So I'm not surprised. You should not be surprised too. This is just part of the process. You want the price to go up, it goes down. You want the price to go down, it goes up. Why is it that? Because that's how it is. You don't trade with your eyes, you don't trade with your mind. You trade at key psychological areas. You just, for example, if you want to sell, if you have, okay, I want to sell at this area, do the exact opposite. If you want to buy, do the exact opposite. At this area, we wanted to sell, it just went up. But I said again, do the exact opposite, scalp it, yes. But we held on to a sell. Why? Because I knew this entire process. And I also know when the sell will come, it will drop instantly. And nothing, if you have seen bear candles, then of course you know what I'm talking about. Those large red candles, they come in so quickly that it's just insane. It takes 10 hours to go up. It will take likely 10 minutes to make that move that happened in 10 hours. That is the power of a big sell candle. Here we have this downward movement now. Nothing unusual. This is exactly what I was talking about. What terminal is this? This is TradingView. And why are you live if I don't want to interact? I'm live, I'm just interacting. I was actually reading my message on Telegram. This is basically Exness. And yeah. Can it reverse to bullish? No, there is no such chance. The reason for that is that gold has already made the $100 move up in Tokyo session, and this move was just for due to the geopolitical tension created by America by seizing oil tankers of Venezuela and Ukraine hitting oil refineries and Black Fleet of Russia, and America selling Patriot missile system to Taiwan, to which China protested, and a lot of stuff that has been going on. Plus the Bank of Japan hiking their interest rate and then doing verbal interventions that they're going to hike their interest rates. So where do you think the money is going? The money went to the FOMO gold buying, but now the frenzy is over. Russia just said in a couple of hours ago that they're not going to retaliate Europe because they attacked the oil refineries and they're helping Ukraine with all the fundings and weapons. So yeah, pretty much we are seeing a downward reversal, a correction, or whatsoever you want to call it. First target is 4450. By the way, be patient. Don't be in such a way that, okay, I'm a live stream, so what's the point if you're live not interacting? Normally I'm streaming, nobody is even messaging me. So this is why I normally don't look at chat. It's just that a coincidence that my eyes just fell on the chat right now. When I'm mostly streaming, nobody even bothers to message. Everybody's here for the free signal, right? There's nothing wrong for that. But at least have the courtesy to, be patient. I'm also working, on my live account and replying to as much as people as possible, and it's not that easy as it looks. Because I'm really busy. I only stream for 2 hours when I'm in New York and London session. Weekends maybe 5-6 hours, but yeah, really hard to stream. Also go short gold from 44. Yeah, it's a nice area to sell. Just hold on to the sell as long as you can, and because the price will definitely retrace back down. There's no point of further that the price will further move up. We have already seen this was a fair value gap over here, and now the distribution will happen. Accumulation, distribution. This was a rally, and this is the accumulation phase. This is a fake fair value gap up, and now the distribution will throw the back down to 4350. I hope so. That's the plan. And as soon as it hit 4350, it might try to go back up. Keep in mind, we have lots of stuff happening this week. Christmas, bank holiday on Thursday, so you won't be seeing that much volume this week. So that's the number one reason to stay away from gold after Wednesday. Even though on the Wednesday the market will close early, so yeah, pretty much stay away from anything you don't understand. Just don't trade. You'll lose money. You don't want to do that. Don't lose money this week. In short, even if you make $10, $100 per day, just walk away from the market. Just don't lose money this week. It's gonna really hurt you, because next week when the market opens after the Christmas, we will have enough knowledge before the FOMC. We will have a clear picture who's the next Fed chair is, and he's either gonna rate cut or pause. I'm looking forward to a 25 basis rate cut, and yeah, go listen. The question you're asking is in everybody's mind, and the answer is not, and I don't have that answer, and nobody trader has that answer. And those who are speculating and analysis, even they are bullshitting. The real answer lies with the Fed new chairman. This Fed chairman, when whoever it is, if he's the facet, then we are looking forward to further rate cut. But if that new dude that Trump wants to appoint, then you are looking at no more further rate cut. So the price will drop. So this answer lies on the new Fed chair. As soon as we know who it is, then we will know what's gonna happen. But till then, we don't know. This is why I'm saying stay in the present. Don't think about the past, it's useless. And if you overthink about the future, you're not gonna make any sense of it. Because what's gonna happen will happen. Eventually, either you like it or you don't. You cannot control it, right? So you cannot control it. So what's the point of fighting against it? Do intraday, do scalp, make your money, get out of the market. No need to fight it. What's the point? There is no point. One thing I can say, gold is going down, it will keep going down. If it goes up, then it's our problem, but as of now, it's going down. So right now, join the free Telegram group, free gold signal channel, and if you want 2 to 5 signals and you are serious about trading, join the premium signal. Currently, I have revised the packages. Is 1 month is $80. Then we have 6 month package, and you have lifetime package, and this is for limited time only. So go and check it out and avail the opportunity before it's gone. 10 slots for each 1 monthly, 6 monthly, and lifetime. And it will come back every month, but they are limited spots, so be careful before you choose what package you want to take, because we are going into the next year, and next year we will make lots of money, like just like we made in 2025 and the year before that when we started this channel. We are going on to the next year with profits, so we'll try to double our profits next year too. That's the goal, that's the target, that's the dream. And the dream is financial freedom, financial stability. In your life, there might not be love, there might not be anything, but at least if there's money, then you can live a stress-free life. Of course, there will be other things. You cannot have everything. Nobody has everything. Those who have money don't have love. Those who have love, they don't have money. There are really quite few people who have love and money, but in short, if you don't have money, you don't have anything. Even people nowadays, they just leave you. That's the harsh reality. You get sick, they leave you. They get stressed, they leave you. Man's life is really difficult. Woman's life is really easy. Women will never accept their fault. Men, they will. So that's the problem. But bro, from 2500 is straight rally till now. It's a straight rally, but why the rally happened is because of Joe Biden's policy, is because of Fed poor monetary policy. Fed fucked up. Okay, and Biden, they intentionally made a system, and they carried the gold up. Gold is like a meme coin now. And everything will change, everything will fall back. I never seen gold break 2000, but when I saw it and it kept going up, I went crazy. I was like, what the fuck is just happening? And people are thinking, okay, it's gonna keep going up. My question is, if it has the audacity to go up, it also has the audacity to go back down to 2000. Why can't it not? Because it just went up like crazy, right? It can go back down like crazy. What's there that you can do about it? Nothing. It will, and trust me, it will go back. At first, it will go back at 3500. Then further, it depends upon Fed policy. I'm not looking at any further rate cuts. So when I don't see any further rate cuts, then there's no point of talking about bullish momentum. Even the JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, they were all talking about $8,000, $10,000. But when gold, couple of months back, few weeks back, month back, it started dropping down, they changed their forecast prediction. They lowered it. So the banks will also lower it. And I'm telling you, we are entering a bear market, because bull market is 4 years. Gold was in a 4-year bull market. Stock market was in a 4-year bull market. Bitcoin was in a 4-year bull market. Now we are going in a bear market. Bear market will last 1 year. In this 1 year, it depends where the gold price drops. 3,500, 2,000, I don't know. But as soon as it will drop down, it will start going up. We might not see that huge moves all of a sudden. It will happen slowly or it will happen over a night. Because when gold drop, it will drop. Gold will drop massive. It in the past dropped $200, $300 per day. So once the correction starts happening, it will drop down further. Again bullish. This is not bullish. This is buy side liquidity grab. And I'm saying again, we are in a New York session. Price will drop down because price will go for distribution now. Distribution will start happening soon. If you're not familiar with accumulation, distribution, what it is, accumulation, how the accumulation happens and how the distribution happens is the market makers terminology. Market makers, they accumulate and they distribute, and right now they are about to distribute, and they will distribute exactly at the area near all-time high. Distribution always happens near all-time high in New York session. That's how it is. They play dirty. Then they'll play really dirty, trust me. You think it will go up, you buy, and then soon as you buy, it start dropping and you lose your fucking patience and everything. And then you curse yourself that what's happening. Why did it happen in the first place? Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And right now, we have 3 packages: monthly, 6 monthly and lifetime premium signal subscription. Check it out. It's on a discounted price right now. Normally the monthly is for like $100, but right now there's a discount. Monthly is $80. 6 monthly is also on a discount right now. 6 months is normally around around 700 to 600, but right now there's a discount. It's somewhere in between 480. And lifetime, we have new lifetime is 800 now instead of 5,000, so that's a lot, because nobody was buying lifetime and it was way higher. I realized that, so now I dropped the prices. Instead of 3 months, I have 1 month, 6 months and lifetime, so it's more of a good round package. What do you think, how much it will drop? Again, I'm saying there are certain levels. The first level is 43.50. Again, I'm saying geopolitical tension. If America would have not intervened with Venezuela, gold was likely dropping down. But just as I say again, they just like to poke other countries, So this is why you're seeing a sudden shift. But things will change now, sooner or later. So yeah, as I can explain this on and on and on, but the fact is you guys need to do your own research. Me telling you won't solve your problem. You need to do your own research. I can give you the hint, I can tell you what's moving the market, but I can definitely tell you need to do your own research. I'm saying again, it will drop. I'm looking at intraday. New Fed chair will come, he will decide rate cut is happening or not. Then it will drop or it will go up. But as for now, first target is 42.50 after a huge $100 move in Tokyo session. So we are seeing a retracement, followed by stock market, which is about to open in about an hour or so. And distribution will happen soon. Nothing is easy. Nothing is easy in the world. I can hold on to this sell despite the I'm red on the sell. Trust me, I have this sell, I'm red, but I'm confident this will drop down. Why? Because I trust my setup. I know it's gonna drop down. It's Monday, it made it up, right? So this is what you do. You have a setup, you stick on it. If let's okay, now we are on 15 minute. If you know the concept of fair value gap, you definitely know what I'm talking about. This is the buy side liquidity grab that happened over here. The price is definitely trying to drop down. The distribution will happen. It can happen in a second, it can happen in a hour, it can happen in 4 hours. It looks really bullish, but let me tell you, there are cracks over here. Cracks that you cannot see, I can see on lower time frame. Go on a 1 minute, you'll exactly know what I'm talking about. Go on a higher time frame, you'll be relaxed. I go in between 5 to 15 minutes and just sit down because that's where I get comfy. And going any further than this time frame just annoys. When the previous 15-minute candle is red, then how the hell you think the price will cross above it? Price will drop down, it will drop down, slowly will reject. This is what I'm telling you. Buying is easy, selling is the hardest thing to do, but selling is more rewarding. Buying, it will take 10 hours to go up. You will be relaxed, you will not have any problem. You'll definitely know it's gonna go up. But when it comes to selling is frustrating. You will open a sell, you will wait 2-3 hours, nothing will happen, and all of a sudden you took a break, you went out a little bit, come back 5-10 minutes, it's a huge drop. This is what happened. Buy takes 10 hours, it takes lots to go up. Selling 2-3 hours, really frustrating, the most frustrating 2-3 hours of your life. But when that drop happens, it happens in a minute or 5 or 10 minutes, and it will happen so fast you won't even know. And it mostly, for me, it has happened when I'm off the chair. I'm somewhere far away, somewhere not near the computer, either busy doing something, and all of a sudden I'm back. I put alerts for this, so I get notified when the drop happens. And this is the exact same thing. This is happening right now. It's annoying. It's fucking annoying. It's slow. It looks like it's not gonna drop. It's just gonna keep on going up, and then all of a sudden there's a huge big drop. That's how it is. They play dirty. It's never easy. If it was that easy, everybody would be making profit, right? So it's never easy. They never make it easy for anybody. Even if it goes and it 44.30, don't be surprised. This is what it does. Just grabs your stop loss and then drops down. This is the irritating thing which I'm trying to teach people. You need to get into the mindset. Yeah, it will definitely go hit the stop loss and then drop down. But guess what? I have a sell limit exactly sitting at 44.30. Either, and if you don't have any trade, just don't open any trade. Just observe, because this is the second last week of the year. So exactly this is what I'm talking about. Rejection, rejection and rejection. Hopefully we will see 44.10 again. Might in an hour or so, but sell size, as I mentioned again, selling is irritating but rewarding. Let's see how you guys hold on. Okay, here we are. Finally. I plan to just stream for 2 hours, not more than that. But I think that this drop will happen when I'm not streaming. So just in case, stick with the trade plan. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. Again, I'm saying selling is hard, buying is easy. But selling is more rewarding. Rejection anytime now from this area soon. And the rejection will drop really fast. Most likely we will see 44.04. One big red candle hitting 4400. Straight 4400. That's how aggressive the sell side will be. There's nothing we can do about it. Is it? Nope. Okay, here it comes, man. Oh, here comes the sell. Bear candle. This is what I'm talking about. Here it comes, here comes the drop. Here comes the rejection. Can it take our stop loss? Our stop loss at 40. Listen, it can and it cannot. There's a highly like chance it will. But right now I'm seeing a bearish movement on a 5 minute. So pretty much we are safe. Because now the price will drop down. As I said again, accumulation, fake fair value gap, now the distribution. The distribution phase has started right now. So when the distribution phase is started, you will see large 15-minute candles, huge ones, and you won't even get a chance to get in. Once those candles start forming, it will form really fast, really big move. You will either be a part of it or you will completely be left out of it. I'm not a huge fan of these large, big, bearish candles. I know I mostly buy. I hardly sell, but when I sell, I know it's irritating. And now mostly I know it will hit my stop loss and then drop down. I hate selling so much, but I know it is where the big money is. So here's the drop. Here's the so the previous 5-minute candle closed in bearish, indicating a sell side momentum. Now you will just see the price decline. This is why I'm on a 15-minute time frame. So none of you are confused. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Looking forward to 1000 subscribers. Premium signal available too. Monthly, 6 monthly and lifetime packages. Check the bio, free Telegram channel and group. 1 gold free signal daily during live stream and on Telegram group. Okay, so we have this sell side momentum. I just hope it keeps on dropping. I'm done with the buy bullshit. I just want to see red candles now. It's Merry Christmas after all, right? Everybody talks about the green Christmas rally, but they forget Santa doesn't wear green. He wears red. So why the hell you're talking about the green rally? Christmas is red. Everything is red. Santa Claus dress is red. Okay, so yeah, candle is dropping. 44.21, slowly. Don't buy now. Please don't buy now. You buy, you die. Near all-time high. You need balls to buy near all-time high. Even selling near all-time high is as crazy as buying, but at least it has some probability that it will drop down, right? But buying just near all-time is crazy. Huge red candle incoming. I hope so. I hope so. Yep, it's coming. I just wanted to drop and be done with it. Fuck it. Irritating, man. It's really irritating. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, guys? Whoever is watching the stream for the first time, welcome to the stream. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. So yeah, somehow it is going down. It is going down slowly, steadily, and it's kind of irritating, isn't it? It is. Trust me, it is. It's always this much irritating when it comes to gold. But anyways, the nice part is that it will drop down. I just hope that it drops during my live stream, otherwise I'll be irritated 15 minutes more, and after that I will stop streaming because I have other things to do. Because of my health issues, I have to work, I have to do lots of things. So as soon as I get more better, I will stream more. But as for now, since it's the last week, it's Christmas, there's not much that volume. We're just trying to scalp as much as possible. And if you are new to the stream, don't forget to join free Telegram group and gold channel. We have a Discord community. Also, I have 3 revised packages: lifetime premium subscription, 6 monthly, and monthly at a discounted price. So do check it out. And it's just not just gold signal, it's futures, S&P, Nasdaq, US, forex, crude, natural gas, everything that you ever want is in it. So take the opportunity while we have a discounted price. Anyways, gold is at 44.23 and it's just annoying, right? But we will get a clear picture sooner or later. First target again 43.50. Anytime now. Just a nasty sell. It's gonna be a big nasty drop. We'll wait on it. It will take its time, but it's gonna be here and it's gonna stay here for a longer. 12 more minutes, then I'm gonna be stopping the stream. Again, I'm saying ProWolf premium signal subscription services available. Currently, 1 monthly is $80, 6 monthly is $480, and lifetime is at $800. This is limited time only. 10 slots each. Get it before it's full. It's a discounted price. You get full Discord access of analysis of live stream, live trading on live trading floor, and lots of other stuff. So get it before it's gone. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna take a break now. I'm closing the stream 9 minutes before to completion of 2 hours. But anyways, I let the stream run. The stream will automatically stop. As for now, I can say the gold, as I said again, will not drop during my live stream, but it will drop after my stream. So expect the price to drop till 43.50. That's where your take profit should be. Once it's done, don't do anything further. Just be done for the day. We'll come back again, and we'll see what we will do tomorrow. But as for now, after hitting 43.50, just take your profit and walk away. This is the second last week of the year, and it's Christmas. So Merry Christmas in advance, and enjoy your vacations. Enjoy the summer. And it is irritating. Yes, should I exit the trade? I don't think gold will move down. No, don't keep your trade running. As I said again, selling is irritating, but it's rewarding. When you have a stop loss running, what's the matter? It's already near all-time high. It will drop down. It will retrace back. Again, I'm saying people are addicted to buying. This is what gold has done to people. They are just addicted on buying. Just click on the buy button. Nobody wants to sell, and that's when the great move happens. Anyways, I have nobody to tell you now. I'm already on a sell. I'm holding on to the sell. I'm following my trade plan. My stop loss is sitting at 44.30, and that's exactly where my sell limit is sitting. So if I hit my stop loss, my sell limit will trigger and I will be in another sell, but I don't recommend you to do that. You have your own setup. But as for now, be really careful. Be really careful. Price will drop. And it will drop, and it will drop. I'm saying again, it will drop because it was up in Tokyo. If it doesn't drop today, it will drop tomorrow. And definitely it will drop in New York session because we have lots of contracts. Gold will make a monthly low, new monthly low. Oh, sorry, this month, December monthly low. Keep that in your head. If you don't want to keep in your head, keep it anywhere, but Somewhere you remember, if you know what I mean. That's it. I guess that's it, guys. That's it for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. But I let the stream run. Yeah, I let the stream run as it is now. I'm not gonna intervene. The stream is gonna stop. Anyway, let me just 6 minutes. So let me complete 6 minutes, then I'll go away. So yeah, it's irritating. Yes, it's irritating, but it is what it is. Should I exit the trade? I don't think. Or no, don't exit it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. The hardest part is not to sell, the hardest part is to hold on to the sell. Just stick to the plan. What's the worst that can happen? Hit your stop loss. Now let it hit then. We will make up another trade tomorrow. It should drop. If it's not dropping, there's nothing we can do about it. Wait for the setup. Don't fight. Anyways, guys, it was nice having you guys here. And that's it. Gold is dropping. It will take time. I'm gonna stream again tomorrow. Yeah, here it is, the drop is coming. I hope this is, it's quite irritating, but I hope it just drops down. I'm tired, man. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow in London session likely, or maybe in New York session, I won't know, not in London. I'll see you guys in New York session. I'll start streaming regularly after next year. But as for now, I'm just gonna be streaming New York session.